sure to be connected to the earth connection box and your ESD wristband. You will need the following tools: a slotted screwdriver, Torx driver size 6+, the SRT6, the SS34, a dental pick and the DC plug. First, remove the stylus. Remove the protective film from the LCD and camera window. Unlock and remove the B cover. Protect the camera window with a film. Release all clips of the A cover with the SRT6. Remove the key mats. Protect the LCD with a plastic film. Carefully unlock both sides of the dome sheet side key. Lift up the dome sheet side key with the dental pick, beginning from the left side. Take great care not to damage the flex foil behind it. Unscrew and remove the screws in the shown order. Always use new screws when reassembling. Carefully separate the A-frame assembly. Push out the LCD with a clean cloth. Take great care not to damage the flex foil. Protect the LCD once again with plastic film before swinging it over onto the A-frame assembly. Unscrew and remove the screws in the shown order. Always use new screws when reassembling. Swing the B-frame assembly over and then remove it. Unlock and pull out the power key. Lift out the microphone with tweezers. Remove the vibromotor using the tweezers. Use the DC plug to lift out the DC jack. It may require a little juggling. Lift up the IHF back volume gasket and pull out the side key assembly. Peel off the IHF front volume gasket. Push out the IHF speaker evenly. Open the 3 flex connectors with the SS34. You can now remove the engine module. Place the shield assembly to one side. Separate the LCD, taking great care with the two flex coils. Unlock the 4 clips of the earpiece adapter with the SRT6. Open the flex connector of the camera module with the SS34. Use the shield assembly as a support while removing the camera module. Release the camera module by pushing down on it with the SRT6. Do not touch the lens. The disassembly is now complete.